Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're new to 3D printing or you're a seasoned pro, these printers have something for everyone. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the budget-friendly upgraded Tina 2S 3D printer by Happy 3D. If you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of 3D printing, this compact and fully assembled printer might just be the perfect choice for you. One standout feature is its smart app integration with Polo Print Cloud, which offers a library of models and one-click slicing for an incredibly user-friendly experience. It's also fully open source, so you can use popular software like Cura or Prusa Slicer to customize your designs. In terms of design, the Tina 2S is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for home use or classrooms. With a quiet operating noise of 40 to 50 dB, it won't disrupt your environment. It may not have the fastest speed at 200 millimeters per second, but it gets the job done efficiently for smaller projects. The heated PEI spring steel magnetic platform ensures your prints stay secure, while the auto-leveling bed simplifies setup. Priced at just $204.99, this is the most affordable option on our list. While it lacks the higher-end features of more expensive models, it's a great entry point for hobbyists or educators. The main downside is its smaller build volume, which limits the size of projects you can work on. But for beginners, it's a solid choice. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and quiet operation, while cons include limited build size and slower speeds. Coming in at number 4 is the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, an upgraded version of the popular Ender 3 series. Known for its reliability, this printer brings a host of enhancements to the table, including a powerful Sprite direct extruder and a CR Touch auto-leveling system. With a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second and improved acceleration, it's 73% faster than its predecessors, saving you significant time on projects. The design is robust, with dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts for added stability and precision. The Ender 3 V3 SE also simplifies assembly, taking as little as 20 minutes to set up. This makes it an excellent choice for intermediate users who want a balance between performance and usability. Its ability to handle filaments like PLA, TPU, and PETG gives you the flexibility to experiment with different materials at $229.40. The Ender 3 V3 SE delivers great value for its performance level. However, it does require some tinkering and calibration to get the best results, which might be intimidating for absolute beginners. Pros include its speed, upgraded extruder, and sturdy build, while cons include a slightly steeper learning curve compared to other beginner-friendly models. At number 3, we have the FlashForge AD5M, a versatile 3D printer designed for both beginners and professionals. With its fully automatic one-click leveling system, the AD5M makes setup a breeze, ensuring precise first layers every time. Its Core XY all-metal structure supports high-speed printing up to 600 millimeters per second, making it one of the fastest printers in its class. The build quality is excellent, featuring a durable frame and a quick-swap nozzle system that allows you to switch between different diameters in just 3 seconds. This makes it highly adaptable for both detailed and high-efficiency printing tasks. The flexible PEI steel plate simplifies model removal, and the ability to resume prints after power outages ensures you won't lose progress on larger projects. Priced at $259, the AD5M offers a great blend of speed, precision, and ease of use. However, its advanced features might be overkill for casual users or those just starting out. Pros include its high-speed performance, easy maintenance, and robust design, while cons are its higher price point and slightly steeper learning curve compared to simpler models. Our runner-up is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a powerhouse designed for high-speed printing and precision. Featuring a Core XY structure and a travel speed of 600 millimeters per second, this printer is built for efficiency without sacrificing quality. It comes equipped with a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder and a high-flow nozzle, ensuring smooth and consistent prints, even when working with challenging materials like PETG-CF. The Adventurer 5M excels in design, with a dual-sided PEI platform for easy model removal and a robust all-metal frame for stability. One-click automatic bed leveling simplifies the setup process, and the 3-second detachable nozzle makes maintenance straightforward. Real-time monitoring via the FlashMaker app adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to manage prints remotely. Priced at $259, the Adventurer 5M offers incredible performance for the price. While it shares similarities with the AD5M, its slightly more user-friendly interface gives it an edge for those who value convenience. Pros include its high speed, advanced features, and user-friendly design, while cons include its weight and bulkier size compared to other models. Taking the top spot on our list is the AOCED XMaker Joy, a premium 3D printer designed with beginners and kids in mind. This printer goes beyond just creating objects. It's a complete creativity kit featuring 15-plus themed design modules and access to a library of over 1,500 models. The Wi-Fi and app control make it incredibly easy to use, and its enclosed structure ensures safety, making it an excellent choice for young users. The XMaker Joy delivers high precision with 0.05 millimeter accuracy and speeds up to 200 millimeters per second. Its quick-release nozzle simplifies maintenance, while the built-in camera allows for real-time monitoring and even generates time-lapse videos of your prints. This adds a fun and interactive element that kids and families will love. Priced at $279.99, it's the most expensive option on our list, but the features it offers justify the price. It's the perfect choice for families, educators, or anyone looking to create STEM toys or personalized gifts. Pros include its safety features, creative design modules, and user-friendly operation, while the main con is its higher price point compared to other beginner printers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.